356.
And what's that arrow over? Which place?
100.
The hundreds, right? So let's see if we're right. And yes, we are correct. Very nice. All right. The 5 is the what?
10.
Good. You guys know this because I saw your test the other day. All right. And which one's bigger here? Is it 356?
No. Yes.
Is this one true? Is this one true? Or is this one true?
The
We have
first
1, 2,
one
or 3.
is true.
The first one, right?
Yeah.
Let's see. My magic circle. Good.
You didn't even have to do that.
All right. Who has seen this television show? I like the quiet hands. They're going to make everything nice and easy for me. All right. Well, today, this television show is going to help us with a little math lesson. Are you guys good with that?
Yeah.
All right. Because I have some volunteers that would like you to meet. And when you think of 3 people, who do you think about when you think of American Idol? We have Mr. Read it with me. Randy. We have, wait for it to come up. Paula. And then it's
Simon.
Is Simon nice?
No.
Okay. So we got Randy, Paula, and Simon, correct? All right. The next thing I'm going to ask you is, I have Randy, I have Paula, and who's missing?
Randy.
Okay. And who's missing? Oops, let's back up. Computer, what line ahead?
Top secret.
Yes.
Oh, it's probably a Navy thing?
Probably. We'll see. All right, so now who's missing? Randy, Simon, Paul is missing, right? Okay, we're going to go on. This is top secret. All right? So, this is called math facts. You know you have those big problems that says like 375 plus 273?
Yeah.
And you got to be like, okay, 7 plus 3 is 7, 8, 9, 10, 0. You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
Okay, this is, a lot of people make a lot of mistakes when they're doing that. They're simple little calculated mistakes. It means they just missed like one, they were off by 1 digit, and they got the whole problem wrong. All right? So math facts is really important because you learn this stuff and you get really quick. All right? When I say 3 times 3, what do you say?
9.
You guys are pretty quick with that, right? What about 2 times 2?
4.
Pretty quick. What about 8 plus 7? So you got to think.
15.
Yeah, you got to think about it. One of the things we're going to do is math facts. So I'm just not even going to say plus anymore. I'm just going to say 7, 8, 15. 7, 8, 15, 7, 8, 15, 7, 8, 15. Turn to your neighbor and say 7, 8, 15. Do it now.
7, 8, 15, 7, 8, 15, 7, 8, 15, 7, 8, 15.
And good. 7, 8,
15.
15, 8.
15.
Or 15, 7.
15.
15, 8.
8.
15, 8. What's missing?
8.
15 and 8. What's missing?
7.
7. 15, 7.
8.
Okay. 7, 8.
15.
Randy, Paula?
Simon.
Paula, Simon?
Randy.
Okay. 7, 8.
15.
8, 7.
15.
That's kind of tricky. 15, 7.
8.
15, 8.
7.
Turn to your neighbor and try and trick them. Say it and they will guess it. Go.
7.
Let's hear you talking. 7, 8.
8.
Go.
8. 15. 15.
Which one's missing? 8, 15. Which one's missing? Okay, good. Don't forget about Randy and Paula.
Randy, Paula. Okay. Simon. Oh.
Good.
Simon. Randy, Paula.
Actually, we need the light because it's dark. Maybe light.
Keep it up, guys. Keep it up. Keep it up. Man. Get up to the camera.
No, it's her turn.
Okay, everybody stop. Now let's do some together, since you guys are going to be pros at this. So I say, Paula, Simon.
Randy.
Okay. 15, 8. 15, 7.
8.
So what if I said 7, 8?
15.
Good. 15, 8.
7. 8.
Okay.
15.
Oh, you knew that one. You're right.
7. Zach families.
All right. 8, 7.
15.
Good.
4.
Wow, you guys are fast. Okay. What about 9, 6, 15, 9, 6, 15, 9, 6, 15. Say it to your neighbor.
9, 6, 15, 9, 6, 15, 9, 6, 15, 9, 6, 15, 9, 6, 15.
Good. All right. So, 15, 9.
6.
15, 6.
9.
9, 15.
6. We know because it's up there.
You're right, it is. All right, let's see if you got it. 15, 9.
6.
All right, you were right. 6,
9.
Okay. And you were right again. So now we got 6.
6.
Oh, you guys are fast. 8, 7.
15.
All
It just
right.
showed up. 9.
8.
9.
Who said 9?
9.
You're right. Okay, so do you guys get this?
Yeah.
Pretty easy. So if I say, I come up to you in the line and I say 7, 8, what do you say?
15.
If I come up to you and I say 9, 6, what do you say?
15.
All right, if I come up to you and I say Paul and Randy, what do you say?
7.
Nice work. Give yourself a round of applause. Very good, you guys. Here's what comes next, all right? We have the 5-minute qualification, the 4-minute qualification, and the 3-minute qualification, and 2-minute qualification. For you guys, because you're a magnet, you will have the 5, the 3, and the 2. What does that mean, Mr. Pierre? Somebody? Anybody? Well, I will tell you.
I know.
Here it is. We have time test. You will have 5 minutes. Now listen, you guys may not get all of the answers correctly in 5 minutes. In order to do it correctly in 2 minutes, do you know how you have to read this test?
Yes.
No, I guarantee you probably don't.
I
Do you normally read from left to right, right?
would. Yeah.
We usually read like this. When you're doing this test, when I've seen kids do this under 2 minutes, do you know how they read it? Yeah, they got to go either down or they got to go this way. Because they can only write so fast. You see what I mean?
I
And
go
there's,
down sometimes.
yeah?
I go down.
So what I want you to do is we're going to go to our seats. We're all going to take this test. I'm going to have 5 minutes, and I just want to see if any of you guys can get it in 5 minutes. If you can't, that's okay. This is an independent thing. No neighbors, no help. You're going to do this test. And if you don't, we're going to work on it. And we're going to learn 2 of these probably a day. So today it was 7, 8.
15.
Someone's there. And 9, 6.
15.
And 15, 7.
8.
And 15, 9.
6.
See how quick it is? 3 times 3?
9.
See how fast that is?
Yes.
So when you're doing these tests and you're doing other tests, watch, turn around, look at this board. Turn, spin, spin, spin. Okay? If I have 278 and I have 157, right away I know how much?
13.
7, 8? Okay, so we didn't have to think about that, right? So then we got our 8, 5.
13.
See, and that'll be another one, so we won't have to think about it.
4.
So when we're doing this, it's going to be quick, and we're not going to be calculating. We're not going to count 7, 8, oh, and then 5 more. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You know what I mean? Does that make sense? Okay, you guys are going to use this forever. Have a seat, and I need my paper monitors. Who are our paper monitors in this class? Come up here to me, please. The rest of you guys, go grab your seats. And I know you're all set. Okay, we have 1 minute to get our chairs back to our desk. We'll move them back from the science class, but I want to see you guys get this test out.
You want me to stop?
Paper monitors, who are you?
You want me to stop or keep going?
These should all be addition tests, okay? Do not start on them. This is a time test. Alright? And this is something that once